What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually brought to you by Shine Armor. They were kind enough to send me out their spray wax quick coat. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a full review on this, give you guys an honest review on how this product works and how to use it. I've gone ahead and added a racing stripe, as you can see. No, we taped off the sides. I'm going to work on the driver's side just so that we can kind of get an idea of how well this product is working and if it does leave a glossy, nice finish. Directions say to spray wax onto a clean, damp microfiber cloth as well as onto the surface working in a 3x3 area. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to dampen the cloth right now. Cloth is damp. Step 3, it actually wants you to quickly switch to a clean folded microfiber cloth and buff off remaining before haze ends. So now I'm using a different cloth and we are buffing it out. So it wants us to do this, repeat on the whole entire car. I'm going to show you guys the driver's side of the hood, and then afterwards I'm going to do the whole entire car and show you guys the clean, nice gloss finish that it gives you. As you guys can see on the driver's side, that side, it is looking a lot more glossy, and I want to do something very quickly to show you guys that this product really worked. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it onto the side that I did not do it on. Check me. All right, we're going to set it here. Look at that. Nothing. No slide at all. Let's go over here. Set it down, and it literally just goes all the way down. Oh, got it all over the car. There we go. But it works amazing. And now we're going to do the full car and show you guys the after. Alright guys, so as I'm doing this right now, I can definitely see my purple getting a bit deeper, a bit more glossy. I can definitely see that, especially like we seen on the hood. It definitely leaves a gloss finish that slippery surface. I don't know, it looks pretty good too. So I'd imagine that water is going to bead off of this. They didn't really give me too much information on that, but I'm going to do my own little test and see if the water beads off and how well it does. So pros of this, I really like the bottle and I really like the sprayer. There is a lock so that you don't spray, and then you can open that up and spray. It sprays very nicely, very clean spray. So far it's doing amazing, it looks great, but the tests aren't over. I'm gonna throw some water on it and see how it beads off. You guys seen, it did bead off pretty well. It definitely did leave the car with a beautiful deep shine that's gonna protect from rocks, water. It's gonna keep the car a lot cleaner after using it. And I definitely recommend this product. I definitely say it is a 10 out of 10 product. I've used plenty of other quick wax sprays like Griots, even Meguiar's. I mean, tons of other deep wax products I have used. And honestly, I'm definitely going to say Shine Armor is on top of that. And this is an honest review. I mean, it speaks for itself. It does its job. It looks great. 10 out of 10. How you feeling about it, Trev? Come on over here. Come on. Come on. How you feeling about it?
Like Alec said, it does its job, and I would recommend getting it. And what's there not to like?
So the Shine Armor definitely adds some added protection to your vehicle, like I had stated earlier. Rocks, rain, dust even. It's definitely going to keep that added protection, keep your wrap and paint looking clean. And I mean, who doesn't want wrap and paint looking clean, you know? I mean, you want your car to look great, definitely go cop some Shine Armor. For those of you guys that actually do live in states that salt the roads, like here in Michigan, it's going to be an amazing product. It's going to keep your car from all the salt that'll get all over the side of your vehicle if that's what you're using. And I'm actually going to use this product on my Jeep because it's going to add that protection for when I'm out in the woods doing trail rides or whatever it is. It's going to add that protection on the paint and leave the Jeep looking great. That's actually going to wrap up this video. If you could go down below, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to use code ZLOW20 at checkout in Shine Armor to get yourself 20% off. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back.
Everybody get off, get down, living like this till my time's gone. And I'm in an infinite time zone. Everybody act like they son, everybody talk like they